And well, the government-farmer talks have hit a dead end yet again. While the government proposed to dilute key clauses in the new laws, the farmer unions have rejected the proposals. They're adamant that they want nothing less than a complete rollback. The farmers are now threatening to intensify their agitation. What's more, opposition parties have also joined the chorus for the laws to be repealed.
The Narendra Modi government's efforts for a truce have fallen flat. Farmers who laid siege to the national capital have rejected the government's offer to dilute the newly passed farm laws. They are insisting on a complete rollback of the laws and scrapping of the proposed changes in the Electricity Amendment Bill. The leadership instead has made a call to further intensify the stir.
हमारी आगामी कार्य योजनाएं ये रहेंगी, आंदोलन और तेज किया जाएगा और एक के बाद एक हम दिल्ली की सड़कों को जाम करते जाएंगे और पूरे देश में आंदोलन किस प्रकार से गतिमान हो उसके लिए सारे प्रयास किए जाएंगे। मगर जब तक 3 अध्यादेश निरस्त नहीं होंगे हमारी जंग जारी रहेगी।
14 तारीख को पूरे देश में धरने प्रदर्शन किए जाएंगे। धरने के साथ साथ ये दूसरी स्पेसिफिक जो दिल्ली के इर्द गिर्द के प्रांत है, उत्तराखंड, यूपी, पंजाब, हरियाणा, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, ये एक दिन के लिए दिल्ली चलो की काल देते हुए धरने लगाएंगे। दूसरे देश के जो हिस्से है साउथ इंडिया, वहाँ वो लोग 14 तारीख के बाद भी इन धरने प्रदर्शनों को जारी रखेंगे अनिश्चित काल के लिए।
जो डीसी ऑफिस हैं, स्टेट्स के जिला हेडक्वार्टर्स हैं, उनका भी घेराव होगा और ऐसे धरना प्रदर्शन है उसको आगे बढ़ाते जाएंगे।
While the government has affirmed there will be no rollback, sources say it has offered many concessions. Sources say the government is ready to give a written assurance on MSP and grain procurement, a uniform tax rate for APMC mandis and private trade areas, special farmers' court for dispute redressal, and relaxations in the punishment for stubble burning.
ये जो कानून है उसमें APMC भी रहेगी, MSP भी रहेगा, सरकारी खरीद जो होती है वो भी रहेगी और लेकिन दूसरी भी एक विंडो अपॉर्चुनिटी की किसान के लिए मिलेगी, जहां ज्यादा दाम मिलेगा वहां वो बेचेंगे।
जो सरकार की ओर से प्रपोजल आई है, हम सब ने फैसला किया है, उसको देखा है, उसको हम पूरी तरह से रद्द करते हैं। अगर सरकार दोबारा कोई प्रपोजल भेजती है तो उसके बारे में विचार करेंगे।
Meanwhile, a delegation of 5 opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, Sharad Pawar and Sitaram Yechuri, met President Ramnath Kovind to raise farmers' concerns.
Couple of points we mentioned to the President. The first was the manner in which these bills were passed. Without any discussion, without a conversation with the opposition parties, and certainly without a discussion with the Kisans of this country who have built this country. So the way the bills were imposed, we see it as an insult to the Kisans of this country.
The government had anticipated that the farmer unions may not instantly agree to their proposed amendments, but the call for nationwide agitation by the unions definitely sent the government into an emergency huddle. Both sides have dug their heels in. It remains to be seen now if the government will bend over and call the farmer unions for talks again, or will it go to the people now, hoping that the farmer unions have lost sympathy with their call to disrupt normal life. Paulami Saha in Delhi for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.